Hello students, in this video we will learn how to construct a triangle. So let's begin with the first construction. So our first construction says we need to construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 7 centimeter and angle B is equal to 75 centimeters and AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. So before we go to construct the triangle, let us construct a rough triangle to see what type of a triangle we have in store, or what type of triangle do we need to draw. So it says BC is equal to 7 centimeters. So when a length is given, let us always take that as our base length. So let us take that as a base length. So I'm not going to draw exactly 7 centimeters, just a representative triangle, so that we have an idea what a particular triangle will be like. So we'll say this is BC and it should be 7 centimeters. Okay, then it says the triangle is ABC, so which means, and angle B is 75 degrees. So if our angle is 75 degrees, so it will be something like this, somewhat here. Okay, so angle B, this will be 75 degrees. Okay, so if you connect this part to C, we will get our triangle ABC. Okay, so that is ABC. This is something that it should look like, and the sum of AB plus AC should be equal to 13 centimeters. Okay, so this is type 1 of construction, where sum of two sides are given, and one side is given plus an angle is given. Now BC can be drawn directly using a scale, or you could just draw a line. If you like to use only the compass to construct, then what you can do is just extend this line, okay, like this. And now, since we have been informed that BC is 7 centimeters, and we'll mark this ray, let this be a ray, and we'll say that this ray is bx. Okay, now we need to get BC. So for that, we'll take our scale, and help of a compass we will mark BC, or basically cut off with the help of an arc exactly where is BC. So you take a scale, and with the help of a compass you just measure 7 centimeters. I will keep this compass at B, and cut off over here. Now where the arc cuts, that will be 7 centimeters. Okay, so we'll mark that point as C. That is our 7 centimeters. You can check with your scale here. So it is 7 centimeters. Now once you have constructed BC, our next aim or target will be to construct 75 degrees. To construct 75 degrees, first we will have to construct 90 degrees. As you may know, we have done it before, and then we will have to construct 60 degrees. A bisector between 90 degrees and 60 degrees will give us 75 degrees. So let's begin. So I'll draw the arcs first. There we go. And then using the same length that was used to draw the arc, and the point where this arc cuts this line BC, I'll use that as the new center and draw another arc that gives us our 60 degrees, and where this arc cuts that makes 60 degrees, I'll use that point. Just mark that point since we'll need that. And continuing with the same measurement that was used to cut these two arcs, I'll draw another arc, okay, this way. Now I need this arc to cut this arc, so I'll just extend that arc with the same measurement. The measurement to draw the arcs haven't been changed. Mark the point where the two arcs intersect. Now let us continue with the same measurement that was used to construct all these arcs. I'll keep my pointer at this point and use as the center to construct another arc this way, and I'll use this point now to construct another arc. That means I use that point, that will be my center, and I draw another arc. There you go. Now where the two arcs meet, and mark that point, that will be our 90 degrees. So we are not much interested in 90 degrees, but since we want 75 degrees, it's part of it, so I can draw it even as a dotted line, just because we want to show that it is 90 degrees. Same goes with our 60 degrees, which will be joining this point to B, and that will give us our 60 degrees. So once again dotted line. So this line is perpendicular to BX or BC, you can say, and this line gives us 60 degrees. Now see the measurement between the two, that should give us 75 degrees. I'll just measure, this is 60 and this is 90, so I'll just take a length. If you want, you can check whether they are 60 and 90. Have a look, that is 90 degrees, okay, and that is 60 degrees over here. With the help of a compass, we'll take the measurement between the two. This way, here. Now that we have got the measurement, I'll use this point to construct an arc this way, and in use where this arc meets this line over here, I will use that as my other center, and with the same measurement that was used to draw the arc that we've just constructed, we'll use that to construct another arc that cuts the previous arc this way. We mark the point where the two intersect, and now we construct 75 degrees from this point to B, and this time we draw a bigger line, okay, because this is something that we need as per our construction this way, okay, and I'll mark this ray as Y. Okay, so this is where we have reached so far. So we have drawn, as per the construction, we have drawn BC is equal to 7 centimeters over here. Angle B is equal to 75 degrees, so we can mark this as 75 degrees. Now AB plus AC is given as 13 centimeters. For that, what we'll do is we'll take 13 centimeters measurement on this line, and we cut the part which is 13 centimeters. So we need this line to be longer than 13 centimeters. Right now it is less than 13 centimeters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this line further. So we'll mark this now as Y. Okay, now we need 13 centimeters. Take 6.5 centimeters to begin with. I'll keep my pointer at B and I'll cut 6.5 centimeters. Here, and this is 6.5 centimeters, and I will use that point and draw another 6.5. So 6.5 plus 6.5 gives us 13 centimeters. I'll mark this point. Okay, and we'll mark this as D. ED is equal to 13 centimeters. Now we'll join D to C over here. Okay, so we'll join it as dotted line. Because that is not our main triangle, but something that we need. Yeah. Okay. Now what we do is we draw a perpendicular to this new line, that is CD. We have to draw a perpendicular bisector. In order to draw a perpendicular bisector, we only need to make sure that the length that we use over here needs to be more than half this particular length. So if we measure how much is this is slightly more than 13 centimeters. So let us I'll take a length which is 8 centimeters. Okay, here, just more than what it should be, more than half. That's how you draw a perpendicular bisector. So I've drawn the two arcs, one is here and the other one is here, and I continue using the same length, and now use this as a center right on top and cut two other arcs that intersect the two. This way. Okay, this is how it should look. Two arcs intersecting here and there, and where they intersect each other, mark those points. And draw a line through those points. That's how you get your perpendicular bisectors. Okay, now where this perpendicular bisector meets this line BD, mark that as your point, and that will become your A. Connect A to C and you will get your triangle. Here you go. Okay, and this entire length was 13 centimeters, that is BD was equal to 13 centimeters. But if you measure AB plus AC, it should be equal to 13 centimeters. Let us do that. So we'll measure AB. So AB is around 5.3 and AC is 7.7. So this comes to 7.7 centimeters and AB comes to 5.3 centimeters. So together they make up 13 centimeters. This is your angle. So this is how we draw or construct the triangle. So I'll put down the steps for you. So these are your steps. First step was to draw a ray BX. So this is what we drew okay, BX. Then what we do, we cut off a line segment BC from there, 7 centimeters. Okay, next what we did was we constructed angle B. Okay, so XBY equal to 75 degrees. So first we had to construct 90 degrees, then 60 degrees, and an angle bisector between the two gave us 75 degrees. Once we did that, we extended this line all the way up to Y, and from there we cut this BD equal to this. So this should actually be from BY. Okay, so this will be BY, cut off BD. So we cut off BD that equal to 13 centimeters. Our next step was to draw a perpendicular bisector of angle CD. So we joined CD. Okay, after drawing BD, we joined CD, and then we got a angle bisector or perpendicular bisector over here. Now the perpendicular bisector cut this line BD at this particular point, which we marked as A. Okay, and then we joined AC, and once we joined AC, we got ABC as a triangle, and we also measure AB and AC whether they are actually equal to 13 centimeters or not. We found them to be equal to 13 centimeters. So this is how you draw a triangle where one side length is given, an angle is given, and the sum of two other sides are given. Thank you for watching.